Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Giovanni and I'm a photographer based out of New Jersey. This video is all about my latest imaging recipe, Sinatra. If you want to download this recipe, there will be a link in the description. If you like learning about Nikon cameras, imaging recipes, and photo editing in general, then please like this video and subscribe to the channel to support more content like this. Thank you. So yesterday, while I was out in Hoboken, I took a little walk. I was only out there for about an hour or so, and I took some photos so that I can create a new recipe. I named this recipe Sinatra, famously because Frank Sinatra is from Hoboken, and that's where these pictures are from as well. So I really just wanted to play around with a really beautiful day. I have no real excuse other than yesterday was gorgeous out, so I had to go and use the camera. After a long winter, I've been doing everything I can possible to go out and shoot, and Firmware 2.0 has made it so that I can just really quickly share images. I don't have to edit so much. And for this kind of work, stuff that's not really work, you know, my own personal fun or for YouTube, I would rather not over edit and spend hours in post just to create an image, you know. Also, I like sharing recipes with you guys. I think we can build this community up. So if you're interested, hit that subscribe button, you know, and so we can continue to grow together. Anyway, here is the video. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed that video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that we can continue growing this community.